We know that there are lots of different kinds of learners in this course. Some of you are teacher leaders or department heads. Some of you are coaches or librarians. Some of you are principals and superintendents. Some of you have really cool new job titles like Director of Innovation. We've done our very best to create a terrific learning experience for all of you, but we also want to give you the opportunity to navigate your own path through the course that makes the most sense for you. We'll spend 2 weeks together in Unit 1 exploring the design process. We'll develop a shared language around design, hear from designers at MIT about their work, and do some design work ourselves. After Unit 1, we're going to launch the rest of the content of the course. Unit 2 is design thinking for students, and it focuses on how educators can create design thinking learning experiences for their students. The final assignment of Unit 2 will ask you to create an opportunity for students to engage with the design thinking process in a manageable way. Unit 3, Design Thinking for Schools, explores how adults can get together to use ideas from design thinking to improve teaching and learning practices for everyone in a school. The final assignment invites you to tackle a challenge you and your colleagues experience within your school and use the design thinking process to begin unpacking this problem and develop the foundation of an action plan to drive change. We want to give you the freedom and support to explore these 2 units in a way that's meaningful and valuable to you. So you will have options regarding how you can proceed for the 4-week period after Unit 1. We have 3 pathways that we'd recommend, and you can choose one of them or carve your own route. I'd like to share some pathways we've considered, but don't feel like you have to choose one of them. Pathway 1 is for folks who want an equal balance of design thinking for learning and design thinking for leading. You spend 2 weeks on Unit 2 and then the next 2 weeks on Unit 3. You put an equal amount of effort into both assignments. Pathway 2 is for classroom educators who are eager to learn more about sharing design thinking with students and learners. You focus on Unit 2, both the video content and the assignment, and you spend some time exploring Unit 3. Pathway 3 is for teacher leaders and school leaders, maybe who already have some familiarity with design thinking practices in classrooms and who feel most excited about using design thinking for systemic change. You peruse Unit 2 and engage with parts of the assignment, but spend most of your time on the content and assignment in Unit 3. We encourage you to shape your learning experience and choose your own adventure. We're looking forward to seeing your work in the forums and learning about your projects.